Am I audible, students?
Yes, sir.
So as we discussed yesterday, I've taken some previous year questions. Okay. So we'll solve them. Yesterday, you guys told it is slightly tough, no? Now I took some previous year questions of CBSE. We'll solve them. So this one not needed, and this one alone not needed. From third onwards, we can start solving. So let's start with this. Okay, each problem 2 minutes. Maximum is 2 minutes. Do it.
Sir, is it 4/3 centimeter seconds?
I think so, yeah. So when you divide both, you will get dA by dt divided by 8 is equal to 8 pi r divided by 4 pi r square. R and R will get cancelled. It will go 2 times, which implies dA by dt is equal to 16 by R. So 16 by R, 12 is 4 by 3. Correct? It is 4 by 3 centimeters square per second. Am I clear? So it is similar to the
Yes,
last
sir.
problem did yesterday. Right. So exactly 2 minutes. Good. Next. Show that the function is increasing on R. Solution. Did you observe what I did? So it is a simple problem. So f of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 100. What is f dash of x? It is 3x square minus 6x plus 6. So f dash of x is equal to 3 if I take out common into x square minus 2x plus 2. See, everybody knows completing the square. Is there anyone who doesn't know? This is needed. Completing the square is needed for integrals also. Is there anyone who is having a doubt in it? Can someone tell me how I wrote this step? it is x minus 1 the whole square plus 2 minus 1. So that is x minus 1 the whole square plus 1. So x minus 1 the whole square is always a positive number plus 1, which is a positive number. So sum of two positives will always be greater than 0 for all values of x that belongs to R. That implies f dash of x is greater than 0 for all values of x that belongs to R. So hence it is an increasing function. This is a problem that we did yesterday, no? The volume of a sphere is increasing at a rate of 3 cubic centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area is increasing. So do it fast. Now only 1 minute time. Answer.
Sir, is it 3 centimeter square per second?
3, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this I'm not doing because it's a similar one. So 3 centimeters square per second. Can you do this? Show that the function f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 18x square plus 27x minus 7 is increasing on R. So f dash of x is equal to 12x square minus 6, 12x square minus 18, minus 36x plus 27. So this is 3 is common. So 3 into 4x square minus 9x plus 9. Can I write it like this? So this will be equal to 3 into, I'll take out 12 itself because I need to, whenever they ask this kind of a question, no, you need to make sure that the coefficient of x square is 1. So 12 into x square minus 3x plus 27 divided by 12. So 12 into x minus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 27 by 12 minus 9 by 4. So this is also 9 by 4 only, no? Both will get cancelled. So 12 into x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So it is always greater than 0, which implies f of x is increasing on R. Clear? Right, same problem. Eighth one. Find the intervals in which the function f of x is equal to x power 4 by 4 minus x cube minus 5x square plus 24x plus 12 is strictly increasing. Solution. Do it fast. So f dash of x is equal to x cubed minus 10x plus 24. Right? Can someone tell me how to factorize this?
Sir, a minus 3x
Minus
square.
3x square, I missed. X cubed minus 3x square minus 10x plus 24. Tell me how to factorize this. So for this, anybody, any leads? Anybody who can give me an idea of how to factorize a cubic equation?
The trial and error.
So with trial and error, what will you do?
I can put
Find,
x is equal to 1, 2, or 3 like this.
so find one root. Okay, that's right. So when you put x is equal to 1, is this satisfying the equation? Find one root using trial and error. When I put x is equal to 1, what will I get?
It won't get here.
Not equal to 0. Up x equal to 2. 8 minus 3 into 4 is 12 minus 20 plus 24. So 24 plus 8, 32 minus 32 is 0. So 2 is satisfying. Okay, x is equal to 2. 2 is a root. So generally for a third degree polynomial, how many roots are you going to have? For a cubic equation, you will have 3 roots. One of the roots is 2. How will you find the other 2?
Sir, x minus 2 will be 1 root.
So x is equal to 2 is a root. X minus 2 is a factor. Am I right? Am I right? Guys, you know or not? If you don't know, I'll teach. No, at least known solunga. I'll teach. Should I explain how to find?
We know, sir.
You know it? Then tell me what are the other factors. How will you find the other factor? That's what I'm
By
asking.
dividing.
Sir, it's x square minus x minus 12.
X square minus?
X minus 12.
So x minus 2 into x square minus x minus 2, correct? Minus 12.
12, sir.
Is this what everyone is getting? X minus 2 into x square minus x minus 12. Okay. So if I equate this to 0, okay, not 0. If I make this as greater than 0 for increasing function. So x square minus x minus 12, how will you factorize it further? So f dash of x is equal to x minus 2 into x square minus x minus 12. If this is greater than 0, you will get x minus 2 into x minus 4 into x plus 3 greater than 0. Right?
Yes, sir.
So you will draw the number line. What are the critical points you will take? Minus 3, 2, and 4. Right. So on the left of minus 3, what are you getting? Are you going to get a negative value or a positive value?
Positive.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
If, for example, in the place of x,
Sir,
if I
it'll be
put-
negative, sir.
if I put minus 4, it will be negative. It will be negative.
Oh, sorry, sir. I thought right
Sir,
here. Sir.
between minus 3 and 2 only it's positive.
Between minus 3 and 2, it is positive. Take any number. I'll put 0. So if I put 0, I'm getting a positive value. And between 2 to 4. 2
Sir,
to 4.
negative, sir.
Negative.
Negative. And between 4, greater than 4.
Positive.
Positive. So the curve, the wave will come like this. Right. So where all do you have f dash of x to be greater than 0? Implies x belongs to They use the word strictly. Adanala x belongs to open interval minus 3 to 2. Union
4, infinity.
4 to infinity. Similarly, f dash of x is less than 0 implies x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3. Union 2 to 4.
2 to 4.
So this is where it is increasing and this is where it is decreasing. Clear? It's a good problem. Shall I proceed? So minus infinity to minus. Is someone copying? Okay. So do this one. No? So when you differentiate a cubic equation, you will get a quadratic. So solving should be slightly faster. Okay. Next. So what is the answer, guys? F dash of x is minus 6x square minus 18x minus 12. So that will be minus 6 into x square plus 3x plus 2.
Sir.
Tell me now.
Sir,
Tell me.
for the first one, I don't think there is an interval.
For which one? Strictly increasing, huh?
Yes, sir.
If it is not there, it's fine. That's not our headache. If it is not there, it's not there. That's it. Minus 2, minus 1. So when you substitute a value x less than minus 2, what will happen? This is negative, negative.
Sir,
Tell me.
don't we have to equate it like greater than 0 and then proceed?
Not necessary. First, find the intervals. Okay, first find the intervals where it is positive. This is the polynomial. Okay, a factorized expression. Right? In that factorized expression, take the critical points and substitute what will happen on the left of the critical point, right of the critical point, and all those things. So when you take a value less than minus 2, if I substitute minus 3, negative, negative. So both negative put together positive. So positive into negative is negative. I hope it is clear. So minus 2 to minus
Yes,
1.
sir.
So minus 2 to minus 1,
minus
tell
2 to
me.
minus 1 positive.
It will be positive, no? And what about minus 1 greater than minus 1? I'll take 0. Again, it is negative. You're getting Noda. So
Yes,
f
sir.
dash
Yes.
of x greater than 0 for all values of x that belongs to minus 2 to minus 1. Strictly greater than. Strictly is the word they used. Similarly, f dash of x is less than 0 for all values of x that belongs to minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 1 to infinity. That's it. Right. Let me check the answer. Minus infinity to minus 2 union minus 1 to infinity. It is decreasing. No? Correct. Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, do this one. This is a problem based on rate of change of values. So the length x of rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. and the width is increasing at a rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of the perimeter. And the second is find the rate of change of the area of the rectangle. Which rectangle are they talking about? Oh, area of a rectangle. Okay, okay. So length x of a rectangle, length, and this is x, this is y. So length x of a rectangle is decreasing at a rate of, so dx by dt, what should I take? Minus 5 centimeter per minute. And width is increasing at a rate of 4 centimeter per minute. Right? When x is equal to 6 and y is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 6, find the rate of change of perimeter. So perimeter is what? 2 into x plus y, which implies dp by dt is equal to 2 into dx by dt plus dy by dt. So 2 into dx by dt is minus 4 plus dy by dt is 1. So minus 2 centimeter per minute, because perimeter is also measured in centimeter. What about area, guys? Area is equal to x into y.
Sir,
So
Sir,
Could
2
you show the
centimeters
question?
per minute.
sorry, is there any mistake?
Sir, it'll
Sorry, I
be
didn't.
2 centimeter square per.
Which one? Area? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me try and see. X into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. So x is how much? X is 8, and dy by dt is 4. dy by dt is 4.
Yes, sir.
Y வந்து 6. 6.
Yes, sir.
6 into minus.
So 32 minus to 20 வருதடா.
6 into minus 5, sir.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
6 into minus 5, sir.
Okay, okay. Minus 30 then. Then it should be 2 centimeter per minute. You told minus something?
Sir,
No.
2 centimeter squares per minute.
Okay, okay, okay. Minus 30, that is 2 centimeter square per minute. So there is a mistake here. It is centimeter square per minute. And the perimeter is decreasing at a rate of 2 centimeter per minute. So when you're reporting the answer, right, dp by dt is the change. Okay. So when you're reporting, no, you should be careful about it. Perimeter is changing at a rate of minus 2 centimeter per minute is the same as perimeter is decreasing at a rate of 2 centimeter per minute. They both are the same.
Sir,
Are you able to understand what I'm saying? Yeah.
sir, this is what I asked.
You
in
asked in
the-
yesterday's problem. There they gave minus, we had to take that minus. Okay, but actual nee சொன்னது correct தான். Okay, what you told is right. Okay, but there, since minus 60 was also given, if all the options were positive, then I would have taken only positive value. But there was a minus sign, அதனால I had to take that minus.
Okay.
Yeah. That minus 60 thing yesterday.
There it was given like it was diminishing.
Increasing at a rate of something. But options like minus was not there, I would have not chosen that.
Yes, sir.
They should also actually not give, if they use the word decreasing, they should have given the question as it is changing at a rate of. Upper minus 60 would have been the right answer. Actually, question was ambiguous. Don't worry. Okay. So the side of an equilateral triangle is increasing at a rate of A, and A. dA by dt is equal to 2 centimeter per second. At what rate is its area increasing when side 22 no? Side 22 means wait. Okay, I don't think the 22 exists. When the side of the triangle is 20 centimeter, let's do and see.
Sir, 10 root 3 centimeter square per second.
20 root 3 is given here. I don't know if something 22A of the triangle.
Sir, if we take 20 centimeter now, it'll come 10 root 3, sir.
10 root 3, yeah? Okay. Maybe I think it is 2A or something. I don't know what it is. There is a printing mistake. Wait, let's take it as 20 for now. So capital A is obviously what is the area of a equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 4
A square.
A square. dA by dt is equal to root 3 by 4 into 2A into dA by dt. So root 3 by 4 into 2A is going to be 80 into dA by dt is 2. It goes 20. So I'm getting 40 root 3. Is there any mistake I made? Two A. So that 2A is 40, no? 2A is 40. So this will go 20. Sorry, 10, 20, 10. 20 root 3 is the answer, huh? So Bridget, is it not 20 root 3?
Yes, sir. It's 20 to 3.
So 20 root 3 centimeters square per second. So did you take the area as root 3 by 4 or root 3 by 2?
Sir, after differentiation, I got root 3A by 2, sir.
Correct. Root 3A by 2.
Like I cut that
Got
2
it.
and 4, so it's root 3A by 2.
No, but you forgot
So
dA
dA
by
by
dt.
dt.
Chain rule. Yeah. That you forgot.
Oh, yes, sir. Understood.
Find the intervals in which the function is strictly increasing. See, fourth degree expression differentiating will get third degree. Again, the same logic. Factorize and then do it. Okay, this problem I'm giving you some time. Try it out.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir,
Yeah.
it's increasing between minus infinity, it's increasing between -2 to -1 closed interval. Union,
Closed interval, right?
root
No, no,
2,
no, no, no. 1 minute, 1 minute, one. Closed interval or
oh,
open
sorry,
interval?
open interval minus root 2 to -1. Union,
Minus 2
root
to
2
a
to
2 ada.
infinity.
1 minute, come again. Minus 2 to -1.
No, minus root 2 to
Uh-huh.
-1. Union, root 2 to
Union.
infinity.
This is
This
increasing.
is for increasing. Yes.
Okay.
And for
Increasing
decreasing, it is minus infinity to minus root 2,
union.
open interval.
Minus
Union
one.
-1 to root 2.
It should be decreasing. This should be the value, right? Okay. I don't know what is the answer because I have not solved. Is there anyone else who got the same thing?
Sir, I got
What is
a
it?
different answer.
Is it so?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is it?
Yes, sir, me too.
You got a different answer?
Sir,
Shall we try?
I got
Uh-huh.
decreasing as minus infinity to -1, union 0 to 2. And then
Okay.
increasing as -1 to 0, union 2 to infinity.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll solve it I'll solve it. So check this is right. F dash of x is equal to 12x cube minus 12x square minus 24x. So 12x, if I take outside, it is going to be x square minus x minus 2. So 12x into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Subrajit, I don't think you will have you'll have
Sir,
root
x
2.
plus 1, sir.
X plus 1, sorry. You will not have any root 2. That's what my critical points are telling. -1, 0, and 2 is what I have. So on the left of -1, what do you have? Negative, amma? Positive, la? Illa, negative.
Negative, sir.
Negative வருது. -1 to 0,
Positive.
positive. 0 to 2,
Negative.
1 எடுத்தா negative வருது. Yeah. 2 மேல
Positive.
எடுத்தா it is positive. So decreasing for minus infinity to -1 union 0 to 2. Increasing for -1 to 0 union 2 to infinity. Correct? இதானே சொல்றேன். This is the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
சார்
சொல்றேன்.
சார் இப்போ நம்ம -2 சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணா பாசிட்டிவ்ல சார் வருது.
எங்கடா -2?
இல்ல சார் நான் மைனஸ் இன்ஃபினிட்டி டு -1க்குள்ள ஒரு பாயிண்ட் எடுக்கணும்னா இப்போ -2 எடுத்து சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணா -4 -1 வருது. சோ அப்ப பாசிட்டிவ் தானே சார் வரும்?
ஏய் அப்ப இதே விட்டியே. That is -1, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's check it.
Sir.
Tell me.
Sir, x plus 1 is a root, right? So can you just divide the thing?
Divide in the sense?
Like divide the equation, the f dash of x by x plus 1.
F dash of x. You want me to divide and show? Is that what you're asking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll show it. So this is 12x cube. 12x cube minus 12x square. Just a minute, I'll show the next problem to others. They can try it. Those who have completed this one, keep trying this one. Okay. Keep trying the 13th question. Note down. Let me know once you have noted down the question. Are you done? Guys, are you done noting down the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me the 12x cube minus 12x square minus 24x, correct? This you want me to divide with x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you'll start with 12x square here. So you'll get 12x cube minus 12x square. Am I right? So minus plus. Cancel, go on. So what is that you're left out with?
Sir,
24.
plus 12x square. No? How does it become?
Now it okay. Sorry, it was my mistake. Now it will be minus. So it is minus 24x square. So what I'll put is minus 24x. So minus 24x square minus 24x. Get cancelled 0. So x plus 1 into 12x square minus 24x. Correct.
Yes, sir. Now 12
So
gets
if
cancelled
that
if we equate it to 0.
it will not get cancelled. I mean, I have to take it out. Okay. By any chance, did you do this x square minus 2x? Did you write it as x plus root 2 into x minus root 2?
Yes, sir, I did.
That is a mistake. Because it is x plus root 2x into x minus root 2x. Because this is not 2, it is 2x.
Oh, understood, sir. Got it.
Anybody with the answer for the 13th one?
Sir, I got f dash of x as 6 by 5 of x
Okay.
minus 1 into x
One.
plus 2.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So 12x square by 10 minus 12x square by 5, correct? Minus 6x plus 36 by 5. And now tell me what 6x square by 5 minus 12x square by 5. 6x cube, no, sorry. 6x cube by 5 minus 12x square by 5 minus 6x plus 36 by 5. Is this what you got?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, is there any issue with this?
No, sir, I'm telling the factors. Is it right or not? I don't.
How did you
X
find it?
minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3.
Now, how did you find it? That's the question. See, I'm able to see that 5 in the denominator, that is disturbing me. So I can actually take this as 1 by 5. I can take the 6 also outside.
You can take it as common.
Yes. If I take that outside, then I'll have x cube minus 2x square minus, how much will this be? It is
Minus
5x
5x plus 6.
plus 6. Right. So what is one of the roots that you're getting? One is satisfying.
X minus 1, sir.
One is satisfying. No?
Yes, sir.
So x minus 1 is one of the factors. Upon what are you getting the other equation as?
X
Expression
plus
as?
2 and x minus 3.
I think it is right. X plus 2 into x minus 3.
Yes, sir.
It should be right. So I'll do and see. 1 minute. 1 minus 2 minus 5, 6. 1 is the root. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, minus 5. 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 6, 6. So x square minus x minus 6. So x minus 3 into x plus 2. Correct, Dhamma? Yeah. You're right. So you have 3 critical points. Check and tell me where it is decreasing and where it is increasing.
Sir, it is strictly increasing at minus 2 to 1. Union 3 to infinity. And strictly decreasing at minus infinity to minus 2. Union 1 to 3.
Correct. Okay. I don't know whether it is correct or wrong. We've got these values.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So is this what you got? Minus 2 to 1 union 3 to infinity and minus infinity to minus 3 union 1 to 3. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next one. The sides of an
Sir.
equilateral triangle are increasing. Tell me that.
Sir, can you show one? Yeah, one.
Can anyone tell me what did I do here? I didn't divide it actually. What is the name of this division? Anybody who's following this other than long division?
No, sir.
Try, it is a shortcut for finding, sir.
It's called synthetic division. You can use this also. You want me to explain it so that you can solve it faster?
Yes, sir.
So listen to this carefully. So there is a mathematical term here. See, one mistake I have observed in your language that you're using is when you're reporting the answer, you guys are telling me that x minus 1 is a root. Don't use it. X minus 1 is a factor. I heard it 2-3 times. That is why I'm correcting it. X minus 1 is not a root. It is not a root. It is a factor. X is equal to 1. 1 is a root. Okay. Now what you need to do is put a line like this. This big expression x cube minus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 is there. No, write the coefficients alone. 1, minus 2, minus 5, and 6. Is it clear till this step?
Yes, sir.
So write the root as it is. Root is 1. Write the root as it is. So when you're doing the synthetic division method, by default, always start with a 0. So 1. So generally in normal long division, you subtract. In synthetic division, you add. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Clear with this step? If you
Yes,
can
sir.
give me confirmation, I'll proceed. Okay. So this 1 and 1 should be multiplied. 1 into 1 is 1. Again, add the minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Again, this root 1 and minus 1 multiplied together is minus 1. So minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. So 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. So 6 minus 6 is 0. Clear? You will always get a 0 here if it is a perfect root. Always. Now what you need to do is look at the degree of the equation. Degree of the equation is cubic, right? So start with 1 degree less, x square, x, and this is a constant. So multiply 1 with this x square, that is x square. Guys, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So multiply that 1 with x square, so it is x square. Multiply minus 1 with x, it is minus x. So minus 6, write it as it is. So this is what you would have got. Now if 1 is a root, x minus 1 is a factor, x minus 1 multiplied with x square minus x minus 6 will give you this term. This is slightly faster. And your chances of mistakes are less because you're adding. Got it? So try out for 2-3 problems, you'll get it, don't worry. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Can we use this for a 4-degree equation, sir, for simplifying it?
4th degree is not possible. It's for 3rd degree only. For 4th degree,
Okay.
what you need to do is you split them into quadratic and a quadratic, 2nd degree and a 2nd degree, and then you have to proceed. Reda?
Yes, sir.
So this is something similar to what we did already. 1 minute time done, not more than that. Do it fast. Looking at the numbers, you should have got the answer by now.
Sir, 10 root 3.
10
Correct.
to 3, sir.
Correct. So it is exactly there. It was 20 centimeter. Now it is 10 centimeter. The answer will be exactly half. So 2 into 10 into dA by dt is going to be, oh, sorry, again, I made a mistake. Root 3 by 4. So it will be root 3 by 4. It will go 2 times. So root 3 by 2 into 10 into dA by dt. Cancel this and this, answer will be 10 centimeter square per second. Find the value of x. See, they've got find the value or values of x for which y is equal to x into x minus 2 the whole square is an increasing function. So 2y into, sorry. Y dash is equal to 2 into x minus 2 into x into 1 plus x minus 2. So 2 into x minus 2 into, so 4 into x into x minus 1 into x minus 2.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, it's increasing.
Mhm.
We have to find for increasing, you know. So 2 to infinity.
Open or closed?
Closed.
Why closed here? Because what is missing for you to use open? Strictly is missing. If strictly is not there, then you can use a closed. Only 2 to infinity, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Nothing between 1 to 2. Sorry, nothing between 0 to 1.
Yeah, that would also come, sir.
Ah. Union 2 to infinity, it is an increasing function. They didn't use the word strictly, so close bracket is used. So, correct? Look at the answer. 0 to 1 closed interval, union 2 to infinity. Clear?
Yes.
Today we concentrated on increasing and decreasing. So approximation is not there. This one is similar. Approximation not there. We'll do one last problem, right? And the next class we'll concentrate on the maximum and minimum. A 5-meter long ladder is leaning against a wall. So there is a 5-meter long ladder which is leaning against a wall. Bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. So this is the direction. So if I take this distance to be x and this distance to be y, then dx by dt is going to be equal to 2 meters per second. So dy by dt is equal to how much? Right? When the foot of the ladder is 4 meters away from the wall. So dy by dt is equal to how much? Equal to 4. How to proceed? X square plus y square is equal to 25. Differentiate. 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt is equal to 0. Which implies 2 into the value of x is 4.
Sir, minus 8 upon 4.
Plus 2 into, what is the value of y? When x is 4, what is the value of y? When x is 4, what will be the corresponding value of y? 3.
3.
Sir, 3.
3, 4, 5 or Pythagorean triplets, right? Into dy by dt will be equal to 0. So dy by dt will be equal to 16 minus 16 by 6. How much did you say? Minus 8 by 3.
Yes, sir. Minus 8 x.
Correct. Minus 8 by 3 centimeter only, no meter. Meter per second. Sorry. Ladder cannot be in centimeter. No? So meter per second. Okay.
Sir.
Mhm.
Sir, we can just equate x equals to root over 25 minus y square and differentiate.
Both are same. Why do you want? I am not comfortable with square root.
Okay, sir.
That's why I do want to unnecessarily complicate, because you'll get 1 by 2 root of denominator comes headache.
Sir, it'll get cancelled over here. That's why.
But I don't know, but I don't want to look at that root. This is, I feel this is more simple. Right.
Okay, sir.
Minus 8 by 3. That's it. So exactly we stopped. So next set of problems we are supposed to discuss is maxima and minima. Just give me a minute. Schedule. So next week you don't have applications of derivatives. No, you have relations and functions, inverse trigonometric function, continuity and differentiability, which we have already discussed, right? So that is the first test. So you should be able to handle it, right? Okay. Okay. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
So see, guys, I just want to give you one assurance that these are all the previous year previous year CBSE problems that I've taken. Apart from this, you will not get anything outside with respect to the rate of change and increasing and decreasing function. Now you guys are doing good. So maximum minima part, we'll solve it in the next week. In the next week, we don't have class. The week following it, we'll solve. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll see you all. Nitish, wait
Thank
for
you,
a
sir.
minute.
Okay.